In this video I'm going to show you how to create a simple menu in Unreal Engine 5 and make it look a bit more advanced, something like you see in games such as God of War. As games improve, their menus become cleaner, nicer and easier to use. And of course I'm using my movement system, which is available for subscribers. The link is on the description. Let's start by creating a basic menu. Menus in Unreal Engine are created in the UI section, especially using widgets. In your project folder, right-click, go to User Interface and select Widget Blueprint. Name it UI Menu. When opened, this widget represents the player's screen. To get the layout right, add a canvas panel. After adding the canvas panel, drag in a vertical box and put a button inside it. Duplicate this button and add a text element to each one. Name one Start and the other Quit. Then adjust the alignment, resize the vertical box, center it on the screen and set the anchor correctly. This way it stays in place on different screen sizes. Now we need to display this for the player. A simple way is using the level blueprint. To that we use the Event Begin Play node. To keep the code clean, we'll add a sequence node right after Event Begin Play. Press S and click to quickly create this node. Use Create Widget, select your main menu, then add Add to Player Screen to show it. Now, when you press play, your menu will appear with the Start and Quit options. It's working fine so far. Let's keep going. To interact with the menu, let's move to the Graph tab in the widget. On Event Construct, use Set Input Mode UI only to focus the controls on the menu, preventing the play from controlling the character. And set the current widget as the focus. Then enable the mouse cursor by using Set Show Mouse Cursor to True. Now, when you press play, the mouse cursor shows up, and the player can't move. But clicking Start doesn't do anything yet. Let's fix that. Select the Start button, scroll down in the details to One Clicked, and add Set Input Mode Game Only. Followed by Remove from Parent to close the menu. Also, set Show Mouse Cursor to False. Now, when you click Start, the menu disappears, and the player can move again. Do the same with the Quit button, but use the Quit Game node instead. Now, clicking Start begins the game, and clicking Quit exits it. Now to the fun part. Let's make this menu look more modern, like today's games. First, ensure your player character in the level is set to auto poses. Modern menus often use cutscenes or camera movements to look interesting, so let's add that. Create a new level sequence for your menu. Add a camera by clicking the camera icon in the sequence window. With the camera selected, press S in the timeline to save its position and movements. In the details panel, adjust the camera's focus options. Autofocus usually works well. Next, in the Widgets Event Construct node, which runs when the menu loads, add Create Level Sequence Player. Select your sequence, like as menu, and use Play Looping, so the camera scene repeats. And then save a reference to this sequence player. Now add a simple action to your Start button. When clicked, stop the looping camera scene with Stop, linking the reference you created. Compile and save everything. If your widget is set to appear at game start, the menu appears with your looping camera scene. Clicking Start stops the scene and lets the player control the character again. Remember that you can customize your menu and camera scene however you like. And don't forget, you can access the movement system I'm developing. It uses only assets provided by Epic Games to avoid any licensing issues, making it perfect for customization. The link is in the description and pinned comment. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching to the end. See you next time. Take care. Bye.